Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a CountryBalls. First, let's make some CountryBalls. We're going to make some CountryBall animation. Let's call this project CountryBall. Okay, first we need to do is get Canada flag. Okay, now we need to make a circle. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Okay, now we need to do is to make shadow. Make this as 50% and do this. Be careful, be careful to not go out of it. Okay, let's fix this. There. It's okay, I'll fix it. Okay, let's make, now we need to make this part first. We need to make this part.
Yes, Ellie.
Okay. Now we need to okay. So we did it. Then we need to do that. Shadow is completed. First, we need to do is make the eye. Yes, our CountryBalls ready. But you can make hats if you want. Now the next part, we have to do hands. No, I mean hats. Okay, let's make the blue hat. Okay, we did it, and we need a backpack. Okay. Yay! We need to make a bit shadows here. We need to make shadow over here. Okay, it looks great. First, we need to make the background. We need to make another layer and go here. Okay, but we don't have to do it. We don't have to do it if you want to, because the shadow might ruin it. So we need to try a white one. Okay, so we can try let's edit this. Let's edit this to white. Yes, better. Now, this guy, you are happy. This is a happy guy. Today, right now, is the animation. So, what we need to do is do this. And do next frame. And do this. And move the eye. And do the third frame. And move the eye. And do that. And you keep doing it until we get to this place. We get here. Okay? We keep doing it. We go slowly. Let's don't ruin it. Okay? Slow. Don't let this happen. Okay. We will fix this. But it's okay. Yes, but we fixed that. You see that? If you made a mistake, you can do this, and your mistake is gone. And we go to the 10 frames, and we go slowly and slowly. That's 11 frames. Now let's keep doing it until this Canada is gone. I'm going faster because I'm just trying to get there. Now we need to go to 20. We'll just get rid of this. Now watch. Amazing! Good job, guys. Now, second, we need to put this next frame, and we need to get some. We need to get out. Okay. I'm going to. This is the Canada's friend named Richard, and that's Canada's friend. We need to make this like that. No, purple. Come on, that's okay. Okay. Looks like this is good. Great. Now it's time to make the eyes. We take this eyes, copy it, and paste it. Okay. And we need to make these frames until we get hit to 27. And get this guy. Get it over here. And copy and paste this. And we had to do this. That's a good job, guys. But we are just almost done. Keep doing it what I asked last time. Okay. Okay. Now, first we need to do is do this and this. Yeah, so the guy will say hello, but we need to do voices at the end. This guy's saying hello. Next, we need to do is let this guy say hello to the Canada. Okay, we need to get to 54 frames. And we need to do this and turn around. Actually, I will not turn around. I'll just, the backpack's there. We will fix that. So what we need to do is slowly get the backpack here and fix it. Okay. And we make this one and this one. Okay. Here, we are almost done. Ready? We need to fix this. Yay! Good job! Good job, guys. Thank you so much. And this guy says hello back. We'll say hello. This guy will say hello. And we need to do this. This guy will say hello. Okay. Now let's watch it. Okay, it looks cool. First we need to now we need to make these guys like they're gonna be so happy. They're gonna do like this, and this. This and this. Let's try it. There! Look! They're happy. They look so happy. Yay! Now let's watch it. Okay, thank you guys. I'm going to show you the sounds. Hello. We are having fun.